EV, hybrid. These words are getting thrown around a lot, but what do they actually mean? Right now, most people drive petrol or diesel cars, and when you fill up at the Bowser, you're getting around 7 to 12 litres per 100 kilometres. That's the norm, but it doesn't have to be. Now, there are more efficient options. We have EVs and hybrids. Cars that can stretch your driving range with little to no petrol. They're efficient, they're future friendly, and in most cases, more affordable. Both save you fuel, both save you money. But there are some lifestyle differences, so let's discuss. So, let's start with hybrids. They look like any other car, except under that bonnet, they've got a petrol motor and an electric motor. The electric kicks in at slow speeds and cruising, which means you burn less fuel. Hybrids tend to get between 3 to 5 litres per 100 kilometres, which means fewer stops at the petrol station, saving you more money. But hang on, I've seen hybrids that plug in. True, however most don't. Most charge while you're driving. EV, or electric vehicle, runs entirely on electricity. What does that mean? Well, it means you don't have to count the fuel prices anymore. There's no Bowser at all. All you gotta do is charge it, either at home, like this, or at a public station in your area. Charging is easy. Most people do it overnight. Servicing is different too. EVs have fewer moving parts, making servicing simpler and sometimes cheaper. Hybrids, however, still have a petrol engine, so servicing is like a regular car, just with a few extra electrical components. When you drive a hybrid, you'll notice how smooth it feels, especially at low speeds. The electric motor kicks in and you'll quietly use less fuel without even thinking about it. In an EV, it's a different experience. Instant torque, silent cabin, and regenerative braking that recharges the battery while you drive. So, which one's for you? If you want a lower fuel bill without changing your routine, hybrid might be for you. But if you want zero fuel, with quiet driving and lower running costs, EV might be for you. Contact your local dealership, open up the conversation about EVs and hybrids, and book a test drive to experience it for yourself.